Hey, it's Jesse with Revved Up SEO. I just wanted to make this quick video to show you some tips that you can start implementing today that'll start making you rank a little bit higher in the search engines and ultimately to the front page. Without further ado, start with the first thing being content. So what Google likes to see is more content that's unique and authoritative and relevant to what you're trying to do. So obviously your keywords and things like that. Um, so what Google considers content is anything that can be highlighted. So for example, we come over here, we can highlight all this. Google's going to look at this and see if there's any keywords, phrases, or anything like that that's being searched for inside their search engine related to what your business is. Also, other things that are considered content is the way you save these images. So what they're saved as can also be considered content. You can save them as keywords and phrases, and that'll also help. So ultimately, you just want more content than your competitors. If we take a look at one of your competitors, you can see over here that TLC Plumbing. I mean, they got a decent amount of content, not a lot. So it's just a matter of finding your competitor with the most content and just beating them essentially, but while also making sure that you're staying relevant to what your keywords and phrases that you want to be found for are. So secondly, there's something called a backlink, and all a backlink is just one website pointing to another website through a link. So not all backlinks are created equal. There's good backlinks and there's bad backlinks. So right here I have a tool called Ahrefs, and all it is a tool that essentially buys data from Google and things and different search engines like that. So right here we have backlinks and referring domains. So you have 24 domains giving you 711 backlinks. We'll come down here and we'll see exactly what's going on, but of those backlinks, you're being found for 676 keywords. So we'll go right here to our backlinks. So a do follow is essentially just a good link that's giving you good power, essentially. No follow is essentially the opposite. So it's a bad link, whether that's spammy or an irrelevant backlink. So as you can see, you have essentially double the no follow backlinks versus the do follow, which is the reason why you have a lower trust than you do for your strength on your website. And as far as keywords go, you're being found for quite a bit, and they're actually pretty good keywords. I took a look at your site earlier, and you do have quite a few of these inside your content. So that's what one of the contributing factors is, obviously, in your overall website. So that's why this number right here is pretty big, your strength. But your backlinks are what is affecting your trust. So the third thing I wanted to hit on was citations. Just real quick, I went over here, just put in Plumbers Albuquerque. One of the things you'll see right here is the Google Guaranteed. I'm not sure if you've already went through the process of getting Google Guaranteed, but it's essentially just a paid ad. It's a little bit better than paying for your ad down here, because Google Guaranteed is saying that you're a trustworthy website. You went through the process to get approved, and they know you're good. The problem down here is these are kind of like hit and miss. Sometimes people have ad blockers on their web browsers, and essentially Your website could get blocked if it's up right here. And then it could be a money pit if it's not done right here. So obviously this is probably the best way to go. If you're not Google guaranteed, I definitely recommend that. So the third thing, like I said, is citations. Citations are just anything that has your name, your business name, a phone number, and then your address. So the more times you have your business name, your phone number, and address listed somewhere in a directory, the better. What you want to do is you want to find out how many your competition has. You want to go and put all your information where all your competitors are, and essentially you want to do more. That way you can start taking some of these top spots in the map pack. And like down here, you'll start seeing different websites. You can obviously see these directories like Angie's List, Home Advisor, Yelp, Facebook, blah, blah, blah. You'll see these pop up. The stronger your website, the higher up you'll rank over here. I think with your website, you really need to focus on those backlinks, getting rid of some of those spammy ones, and then putting in some more good ones, and then I believe you'll start ranking pretty well. With that being said, I don't want to waste any more of your time. I hope you found this video informative. We went over content, backlinks, and citations. You can take these tips. You can start implementing them today yourself. If you'd like to know more about how we can sit down and get a strategy together to help you implement these, we could do that. If not, that's cool. No harm, no foul. Hope you have a good day and look forward to hearing back from you soon. Thank you.